Application programming interfaces, or APIs, are an important tool in how your address verification software works. Since we can't use incomplete addresses to deliver mail, APIs make sure every address contains the right information in accordance with USPS guidelines. Utilizing this strategy makes it faster and easier to complete address verification. But what exactly are the mechanics of address verification software? Hi everyone, I'm Maria from eTactics, and today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 steps of address verification. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. Also, hit that alert bell icon so that when we post new, helpful content, you get notified. APIs enable 2 software components to communicate with each other. So by doing this, it essentially helps structure your address verification process. The API, in simple terms, cross-references addresses with the USPS database to make sure they are correct and able to be delivered. Using this address cleansing software ensures that you have access to the most accurate information when sending parcels or packages. While it is possible to cleanse addresses for verification manually, it's pretty tedious work that is sure to waste time and irritate your team. There's also more room for mistakes or human error to be made. When we talk about address cleansing, there are 3 main steps: standardize, correct, and validate. Let's break these down together. Address standardization, or address normalization, converts address data to the proper format for successful communication between your software and the USPS database, while address correction fixes any errors, abbreviates words, and adds missing components. These steps allow the user to then observe whether there are duplicate addresses that have been entered and allows users to delete them as needed. Once you complete these steps, you can finally move to address validation. Here is how it works and why it is essential. While address standardization and correction make sure the spelling and formation of the addresses are correct, they cannot guarantee that the addresses are valid or even deliverable. This is why, once you have successfully corrected and deduplicated the data, you must validate it. During address validation, the solution takes your corrected addresses and then compares them to the USPS database. By doing this, you will then be able to validate the deliverability of the address. If information is still incorrect or missing, your address verification will update those records. Address verification is essential when it comes to contacting your clients via mail. The sooner that you can send an invoice to the correct delivery point, the sooner you can get paid. Not only will this help your revenue cycle run smoother, but can also reduce shipping costs and deepen your relationships with clients. If you'd like to learn more about address verification, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.